For this project, the idea was to make a banner and to type your name and then have each letter move individually. So we broke each letter down into its own object, grouped it, and then distributed to different layers. And so you can see I kind of have that going on right now. And you can see when I click on this keyframe, it highlights the D. And so it starts off the stage, and at 30, it ends up where I wanted it. And so my name kind of assembles itself. Now what I need to do is apply a mask. And so here's how you do it. We're going to start all the way up the top layer. Click and drag down. I'm going to select all the letters. I'm going to hit Command C for copy. I'm going to make a new layer and put it all the way up on top. And I'm going to hit F6 to make a new keyframe. And then I'm going to edit, paste in place. And it just took all the letters and put them on one layer. So if I turn off all the layers, except for this one, you'll see I have every letter in the right position on this one frame, which happens to be frame 85. What I need to do now is I'm going to break them all apart. So Command B, I'm going to break them down until I see the little white dots, and then I'm going to group them together. And now I can create a mask layer. Again, we do that by double-clicking on this little icon, and I can change to a mask. And then I can make something mask over top, like say I want a shine or something. I can hit F6, and I can create the shine. Make sure you're on the right layer. And then what I'm going to do is I'll pick a time frame, extend out my timeline. And then I'm going to move my mask, remove my object. That's going to be masked underneath my name. I'm going to keep it simple. I'll just make it a shape tween. Now I have two problems. One, I did not convert this to a masked layer yet. So again, I double click and you'll see there's masked with an ED. I select that. And now it's masked. And when I lock the layers, I have another problem. So what's happening is the original blue is disappeared. So when the name goes across, when I lock it, so here I have the blue letters, and then they disappear. I need to remember to extend them out. And we can extend it out without using keyframe by hitting F5, or if we need a keyframe, we can hit F6. Either one will work. But now, it goes right over top. And so that's how we select all the letters, copy them, paste them on a brand new layer all together, convert that layer to a mask, and convert the layer underneath it to a masked ED layer, and then we can create a mask that goes over top. And then now, of course, we need to start with a blank slate, we need to end with a blank slate, so you have to figure out how to get all the letters out of there, whether you tween them all out together, or whether it's really up to you. And so that's our little trick tip of the day.